In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address in eBay. This process ensures that your account remains secure and that you receive important notifications. Follow these steps carefully to successfully update your email address. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, locate the option for Account Settings, which is usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile name. After selecting Account Settings, navigate to the section labeled Personal Information. Here, you will find the area specifically designated for updating your email address. It is essential to ensure that your account is verified before making any changes, as this helps to avoid potential errors during the update process. Next, look for the Edit button next to the email address section. Clicking this button will allow you to enter the new email address you wish to use. It is important to double check your entry for any typos to prevent future login issues. After entering your new email address, follow any prompts that may appear to verify this new address. Ensuring that you enter the correct email is crucial so that eBay communications reach you without any interruptions. After submitting the new email address, check your inbox for a verification email from eBay. This email will contain a link that you need to follow in order to confirm your new email address. Clicking on the verification link will finalize the change. Once this is done, it is advisable to log out of your account and then log back in to test your access with the new email address. This step is important to ensure that your account is functioning correctly with the updated information. Updating your email address will ensure that you receive all notifications and security alerts from eBay. It's important to monitor your account after making this change to prevent missing any important messages. If you encounter any issues, revisit the email verification process and ensure that all steps were completed correctly. Proper confirmation of your new email address is vital to secure your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.